Hello guys, so today guys on this vlog I'm gonna show you how to make a portrait mode for the Zhiyun with Zhiyun M3. And guys, so again we are using a mobile on this tutorial, and let's start now guys. First, and we do already balance our mobile, and second, just turn on guys the side, and then yon macro natin. After yan, dito sa mode, here, you can go to the mode. Then, down guys, it's in portrait. Then, yeah, it will be like this guys. Then after you do a portrait mode, just remove the stand. And put it on the side guys, which is 1/4 expansion. And you have the expansion. Then, you're already in the portrait mode. Yan, di ba? So, it's nice. So, let's make a test. A video test with our mobile and the M3. So, let's go, guys.
I'll fly drone, gangs.